Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy A15, but not just a quick unboxing or fast impression. This is the long time review after using it's my daily driver for a interior. So how has it hold up? It's still worth it. Let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from Shadat's Day Out. So guys, is it the video? Let's start with the build quality and design. The smartphone built with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame. As a budget smartphone, the smartphone build quality is too good. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A15 comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen, and even after a year the colors are still vibrant and the black are deep. It's been great for watching video, scrolling through social media and even gaming. The 90Hz refresh rate still feels smooth, though it's not as fast as the 120Hz or 144Hz display, but for the price it's hard to complain. The Galaxy A15 is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 and paired with up to 8GB of RAM, and my device is 4GB RAM variant. After a year I have been noticed some slightly slow down, especially when multitasking or running heavy app, but for day-to-day tasks like browsing, streaming and light gaming it still hold up pretty well. On the software side, the smartphone running One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and very soon this smartphone get One UI 7 update with Android 15. One UI has been smooth and the phone has received regular update, which is a big plus point. Okay, let's now talk about the gaming performance. MediaTek Helio G99 is the gaming processor. You can play all types of game in a medium graphics. And I am already testing Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile on Galaxy A15. All of these videos are available on my YouTube channel. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. So overall my gaming experience is excellent on this budget. Let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro shooter, and the front is come with 13 megapixel selfie camera. Main camera you can record high 1080 30 fps video, and you also record 1080 120 fps slow-mo video. Let's now talk about the picture quality. The 50 megapixel main sensor performs well in a good lighting, capturing details and a sharp image. By the way, I am also making a dedicated camera review on Galaxy A15. Video link are available on the video description and the I button. Check it out. However, in the low light, the picture quality is decent. Battery life has been one of the standout features of the Galaxy A15. It's come with a 5000 mAh battery, and even after a year I am still get a full day of using on a single charge. The 25-watt fast charging is decent, so it's the Galaxy A15 is still worth it in the 2025. If you looking for a budget-friendly phone that delivers solid performance, a great display and reliable battery life, then absolutely. It's not perfect, but for the price it holds up well over the past year. That is for long-time review of the Galaxy A15. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.